genetics based problem 6. In this problem, we have to identify what would be the pattern of inheritance to suspect that an inherited disorder of cell metabolism is due to defective mitochondrial gene. So there is a disease. That disease is due to the defective mitochondrial gene, or there is a mutation in the mitochondrial gene, and we have to identify what would be the pattern of inheritance. The disorder would always be inherited from mothers, because we know that mother's mitochondrial genes is the only one that survive when zygote is formed. During the fertilization process, sperm fertilizes the egg, and during this process the mitochondrial DNA which is present in the sperm will not enter into the egg. So this is the background of this information. The gamete from mother contains all the information, while the head of father's sperm is the only part that survives during the process of fertilization. So based on this information, we can say if this is the egg and this is the sperm. So in case of egg, the only this head part DNA which is present in the sperm will enter into the egg. So in case of sperm, the mitochondrial DNA is present at the tail, and this mitochondrial DNA will not enter into the egg. So in case of those genetic disorders which are due to the mitochondrial DNA, because the mitochondria is inherited from the mothers, from mother to next mother and to next mother. So the mitochondria is not inherited through the fathers. So in this case, the gene would be present on the mitochondrial DNA. So in this case, in this disease, whose gene is present on the mitochondrial DNA, if a mutation is present in a gene and that mutation is responsible for a certain phenotype or for a certain disease, the inheritance pattern would be through the mitochondrial DNA, and mitochondria is just transferred from the mothers to the daughter and from daughter to the next generation.